colleagues. He is Mr. Ratnaprasad.
Ratna Kumar, sir. Yeah, this is Ratna Kumar. Yeah. Good morning, sir.
Welcome to the meeting.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sir, he is Mr. Venugopal, taking care of application.
Yeah. Is this echoing anything? Echoing from this system?
I
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, regarding a presentation, the same what I have shared to you through mail. That one only I want to show it to you. Yeah.
Okay, please go ahead.
Sir, you need to give me the permission to share our files.
Sure. Yeah.
Sir, welcome to COE. It's a Center of Excellence from NTTF.
Okay.
It is located, the lab is located in Electronic City branch. Sir. It is quite near from you.
Fantastic.
So it's just a brief history. I'll look around for the NTTF branch operating, business verticals, facilities available, projects we already done, corporate training. These are the main areas I'd like to bring to your focus on it. Sir.
Okay, fantastic.
It's almost 5 decades this institute is running.
Okay.
It's almost started from 1959.
Okay.
It's almost we have 30 locations spread all over India.
Okay.
Our expertise,
across the country, you are having training centers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which are the other states?
So you name the states, I would say.
Okay. But it was highly focused on in Karnataka, earlier.
Southern side.
Earlier.
NTTF is basically more of polytechnic, correct?
More of diploma courses, majorly.
Okay.
Majorly and started with the tool and die making. Now it is spread across for this electronics software also.
Oh, okay. Very nice. How many students? How many intake every year in electronic campus?
Almost roughly, say the target is around 2,000 students, sir. 1,000 to 2,000 students.
In electronic city alone?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Very big campus then.
You should visit, sir.
Oh, definitely I will visit. I know that it is in the corner, no, next to Infosys.
Yes, sir.
Tata Power, no? Next to Tata Power.
Beside Fanuk, Tata Power. After that, Fanuk is coming. After that.
Okay. Very nice.
So, our expertise, as you know, it's a tool and die making, now molds and rapid prototyping is also included.
Okay.
That's where we have pitched into you for, and I'll just go to the next slide, sir. This is our locations, all over India, where all our branches are there, NTTF.
Across the country you are having.
Yes, and some more is a new campus is also coming up in northern states.
Oh, okay. So in Andhra Pradesh, nothing is there next to Bangalore. Nothing is there. That entire state is in
Gannavaram is there. Gannavaram. Andhra.
Okay, UP also you are having one. UP Bihar, absolutely nothing.
UP we are starting one, sir. UP we are starting one. We have already taken the principal.
Oh, is this something supported through government also? Is there any partial support from the government or totally private?
No, it depends on program to program. So there is a collaboration with the government with the skill development, like Odisha government. So some batches are happening,
Okay.
and even from the private corporate companies also, like Tata. We are training for their employees.
Okay.
It depends. For example, in Jamshedpur, we are using the Tata's training center. So,
Apprentice trainee, that separate center is there.
Yes. So Tata has
You
given to
basically
us in India.
collaborate and use their facilities, correct?
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay. So
Exactly.
these are all existing polytechnics.
Yes.
Many of these. Okay.
Sir, sorry to correct you. Like all major, southern part institutes all owned by NTTF only.
Oh, okay.
Okay, some of the parts like Maruti, Tata, they have given us space to give the training for their employees.
Oh, okay. This is now it has grown very fast, man. Your company has become mainstream.
Yes, and actually,
We are having a lot of collaboration also, no?
Yes, sir.
skill development recently started at Rai Bareli, UP. So.
Oh, okay. Great.
Fine, sir. I'll just move on to the next slide.
Yeah.
This is our, what as a whole NTTF, this is our verticals, like long-term programs, like diploma programs, postgraduates, post-diploma,
Okay.
industrial.
Product development also, there are many programs in product development.
Yes, sir. Post-graduation, product development, there is a course in Pune Center, Bangalore.
Oh, okay. Pune. Okay. Where is the Pune? In Pune?
Sorry, sir?
In Pune, where is the location? Near Jalahalli Cross?
It is a bit far, sir, near to the TVS cross, sir. That is NTTF circle only, you can say.
Oh, okay. So, it is from Jalahalli almost 3-4 kilometers, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Near to the ABP or ISRO.
Yeah, we visited once last month when we visited that place, that road, NTTF road they call, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
NTTF road they call.
Yes, sir. Yes. And sir, we have this, major 4 verticals like core long-term programs, industrial productions, learn and earn, corporate training.
Okay.
Corporate training is majorly for the existing, employees of the customers who want to develop their own. Some subject matter experts will give the training for the particular subjects.
Oh, okay.
There's a customized, training things for the employees of their own customers. So coming to the 3D printing, where I intend to pitch in for you. These are the machines available at this center, the Electronic City Center, sir.
So you are basically owning or you are just operating those systems?
No, we have these machines at our facility. We own the machine.
You provide the service, correct?
Yes, we provide service, training, both, sir.
Okay, designing and all you do, or a customer need to bring the design?
Till now, sir, customer will give the design usually, but now we have in-house designer for for the something case-to-case basis we can work out, sir.
Oh, okay.
If really you need support, we can think of that, sir.
Oh, okay. Great. All prototype making, correct?
Yes, sir. We have strategies. There's 2 technology, FDM as well as a PolyJet, sir.
Okay.
The FDM is for the high engineering grade end application parts we can produce, from aerospace to oil and gas to the automotive, and for the fit form function as well. And PolyJet is for the multicolor parts, anatomy parts, and some rubber parts also with a different color.
Rubber parts also can be made.
Yes, sir, with a different sure hardness.
That should it's like more of like hardness, na hard component.
Different sure hardness means from 35A to 90, up to 92A you can print. Different sure hardness depends on requirement. The background, I think more people are joining.
Yeah, there is some disturbance. I just mute them. There is some disturbance. Is there. I just mute. Okay, it's muted. Please go ahead.
And these are the materials available with us for the producing the parts.
FDM means what?
It's a fused deposit modeling.
Okay, it's a plastic material or what?
It is a
Is
plastic
technology?
material. It is a plastic material. So the raw material comes in a wire form.
Oh, okay, wire form. Okay.
Yes. So additive manufacturing means we are adding the material with as per the geometry given by the CAD designer or requirement.
Okay.
So this is additive manufacturing. In FDM technology, it is raw material is in a wire form. It will add up, after melting with a certain temperature, where it can stick together. It will add layer by layer
Okay.
to form the geometry.
Polyjet.
Polyjet is it's a multicolor material, and it's almost yes, a multicolor, and the rubber also can be formed.
Okay.
And the raw material comes with a liquid form, sir.
Oh, liquid form. Okay.
Yes. So these are some of the parts what we have produced with the FDM technology, sir.
Okay.
Some of the things are end-use product. Some of the is only one or two products for the prototyping to see the fit form function and the end-use product how it looks.
End use, do you cater to something like very special parts and all components you make?
Yes, sir. Particularly for the aerospace, we have been supplying for the quite a few customers where the parts are directly mounted on the aeroplane.
Oh, okay. Okay. That is very small number, no? Directly used from.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, is there any in automobile any components you supply?
Automobiles, see, they are required in a millions. So one part.
Okay. So this not viable.
This is not viable. Like for the
medical devices you provide, correct?
Yes, medical devices. Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, instead of keeping inventory, you provide this quick component manufacturing.
Yes,
In a less number, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So these are the basically all the items are more of plastic material only, no metal.
Metal, we have, we do not have a 3D printing of metal, sir, as of now.
Okay.
But we do the solution with machining, conventional way only.
Conventional. There is a metallic also available, metallic option, aluminum and other things.
Not with us.
Not with us, sir, it is available in.
Okay, available. Technology is available, but you
Yes,
may not be
3D is
having.
available. Not with us.
And these are the machines available with us for the even for the conventional way, sir. There is a complete tool room setup for the small batch production of a metal, or press tools or molds for the continuous.
Prototyping.
Not only prototyping, so even for the continuous manufacturing also you can support.
Oh, okay. So you people are more of like job shop type, correct?
Say again, sir. Say again.
This is a more of job shop type. You get an
yes.
order and you deliver some small quantity before it really goes for a production. You just fine tune the product design and then
Right.
basically they will take over and they start producing in their factories. Right? Is that the stage? These are the
Either
machines basically is in a line you set up this or in a individual machine catering to the different products.
sir, actually we are
Can you
as we said. Hello, can you hear me, sir? Yes, sir. So as I said you in earlier, this is a center of excellence, stage where we'll get the special requirement only, where conventional way. Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
I think sir left, it seems.
Oh,
He joined again.
and again. Okay. Yeah.
sorry. So I was just asking, is this a job shop environment or is this something like
Let me explain to this, sir. Actually, these are the machines supporting for any kind of machine shop activities. For example, any mold is to be done, we make use of these machines. Any
you create a mold with this
mold
machine
press tools,
for
yes.
your own this 3D printing, correct?
No, 3D printing is separate, sir. This is separate. Even if you have any post process, we can make use of this. Or these machines we can use for making inserts, plates for molds and press tools.
Okay. So you take the entire project, new product
Yes.
development.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
Okay. Great.
So I'll go to the next slide, sir.
Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, these are some of the EDM complete tool room setup for the quality. Also, we have our
Can you
system.
hear me?
Sorry, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So these are the quality system, like height gauges and tracer, 3D tracer.
Okay.
This is our tool room setup with all conventional machines.
Okay.
I will show you through. I'll go through it, sir, after this presentation.
Okay, right.
And these are some products what we produced earlier.
Okay, these are all dice and all.
Exactly. Yes, the fresh tool dies.
Okay, that's cool. So, how many people are there in die design and all? So you are having a designer?
One designer, sir. We have one die designer, and we have 4 tool and die makers. I mean, tool engineers.
Okay, do you provide any training in process planning?
For corporate training, it is there, sir. Earlier, yes, mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is available.
Okay, is how many hours training?
Sir, it depends. We need to check, sir. We have a separate dedicated department for that. So
Okay, process planning means like converting the design, the drawings
yeah, sir, it is there, sir.
into more of productionizing. You
Yes.
understood in between
I
stages
understood,
like
sir.
die design, tool design,
Yes.
and basically selecting appropriate machining
Machining process,
technology
yes,
and
yes.
basically processes. Basically choosing the processes, coming up with the cycle time, the total. That entire thing comes under process planning. Do you provide any training for people who are in the want to commercialize the production?
Right, sir. Yes, sir. Earlier in the slide, we have showed the verticals. In that one vertical is corporate training.
Oh, okay.
So they will take care of this.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, I will speak to them.
Yeah, sure.
Probably you share the details.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, fantastic. Please go ahead.
So, and these are some of the products, injection molding and casting parts.
Okay. But this seems to be aluminum, no? This
That is die casting, sir.
Die
This is
casting.
Die casting. It is not in the 3D printing. It is all we made tools, die casting.
Oh, die casting tools.
I'll go to the next slide. And as you asked for the corporate training, sir, these are the major area. It's a tailor-made as per the requirement of the customer.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Okay.
As you said, process planning training.
Yeah.
Actual dependence. I mean, process planning. There will be too many things. Like depends on your requirement. We'll choose faculty as well as the subject.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. And you provide any training on design related quality standards like PPAP and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
APQP?
Everything, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Anything industry related from
Corporate training, yeah.
corporate training, anything from
You should visit us once, sir.
Yes.
Oh, sure. I will
I can introduce you to the
speak
team.
to the concerned people because these are the areas many companies need support, especially the companies who are small manufacturers. They may not be having their processes understood, the standards.
Right.
So they need to follow some standards to become a supplier to some OEM.
Right.
So especially PPAP and APQP and FMEA, Design of Excellence, MSc. MSc means this measurement standardization of measuring tools.
Yes, sir.
And then
All
SPC.
comes under APQP, sir. All this.
All these very powerful tools, and we need to very systematically incorporate this in the product design so that
Before you start the project.
documented. It will be documented. That is a reference. When you become a supplier to some OEM, they generally check all these stuff.
Yes.
So we need that type of trainer so we can connect to the industries on various platforms.
Yes, yes.
So we request you to visit once, and the right team will be entire team with you for those trainings, sir. Is that fine?
Sure. So that's all. Training over your presentation.
It's almost over, sir.
Okay, fantastic.
So these are some programs already carried out.
Okay. What is cost? Training cost?
That we need to check with him, sir. We have a commercial team for that.
Okay. So can you some brochure type or training related brochure summary type, is there anything with you?
Yeah,
PDF file?
we'll get from that team and maybe we'll send to you, sir. And
Please send that, and the pricing also you send. Suppose if you want to conduct
can
a
charge,
1 day, 2 day programs on a specific topic, how
maybe
much
we
you
can
charge?
give the contact person's number. Maybe.
Please
Sure.
connect to them, and
Sure.
probably we'll have a second round of discussion to get into those specific things required.
Sure.
Definitely.
Okay. Fantastic.
So this is our final slide. What is your requirement? As I said, from design to prototyping, design to function, design to product. So in all the cases, on each stage, we can support you.
Oh, okay, fantastic.
So this is the end of our presentation. Maybe I can you can show the machines, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'll stop the
Presentation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can stop.
We can show the machine.
Machine. Yeah. So I'll take the laptop with the machine shop. I'll show you the machines.
Okay.
Can you see the shop floor?
Yeah, I can see.
These are the machines. Whatever I shown you on a PPT.
Okay, these are all CNC machines, correct?
These are all CNC machines, sir. Up and running is the VMC.
Okay.
Some jobs has to be coded here.
These are all basically used for the prototype making, correct?
It's prototype also in for the tool manufacturing.
Tool manufacturing. Generally, tool manufacturing you concentrate, correct?
Yes. See, some cases even for the medical or anything, SS tools are required in a batch production, like 10 numbers, 20 numbers.
Oh, small number. Okay.
Yeah, to qualify the product, their own design qualification.
They need a sample lot, correct?
Correct, sir. Yes.
For approval purpose.
For approval purpose. So those things also will support, and after that, mass production for those things also can be set up and given to them, so they can manufacture themselves.
So till you fine tune your tools, especially these dies and tools, actually you try to produce and give the lot details, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, so I understood. Fantastic. So what you do, you just share something about the programs, short programs.
Training program, yes, I will.
PDF file.
Yeah.
One and pricing related. How much you charge per a day or 2 days, 3 days?
So,
how much you charge? No.
We will share you the contact details.
Then for a specific prototype making, how much generally you charge? On what basis you charge? Those terms, so those financial terms, you send those details.
Okay, so regarding the training, I will share you the exact contact details, so you can have the further discussion.
I'll speak to them. Who is the person in charge?
Is Mr. Srinath Bhandari, sir. He is the general manager for the training, corporate training.
Okay, fantastic. Okay.
So this is a 3D printing machine. Can
3D printing machine.
It's the largest. Now the printing is going on, sir. This is the largest, like up to
What
1
is the dimension of this? Dimension? What is the
dimension? That's what, sir. Build volume. You can say up to 1 meter component length of component can be produced from this, sir.
Oh, okay. 1 meter, 1 meter height, 1 meter width, 1 meter.
Actually, it's 965 by 965 by 600, sir.
Oh, 600. Okay. So very large components also you can make.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Very nice.
And this is a small machine.
Okay.
S370 is almost 300 by 300 by 300. It's a build volume, sir.
Okay. So generally, how you charge for the this 3D printing on the basis of number of hours you spend on component printing, or what is the criteria?
Criteria, sir, we have to have a CAD model.
Okay.
And based on that only, because the CAD model, why we required is we need to see that after printing, is there any other process like a painting or machining has to be carried out. Depends on that only. We'll give the pricing, sir.
You can decide the pricing.
Yeah, of course it is material plus machining, but we still look into the design files and everything.
Okay, assembly process also.
Yes. And
assembling also you consider while estimating the price.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is our J750 machine.
Okay.
Strategy is a multicolor can be printed with this machine, sir.
Okay.
Up to 3 lakh Pantone validated multicolors parts can be printed with this.
Oh, okay. So multicolor, how it comes? How you make them mixture? The mixing the powder or what solution?
Sir, actually, if you see
Automatic mixing is possible.
yes, sir. Means see here, there is a different materials already loaded into this.
Okay.
And why digitally in a software we will mention that RGB value.
Okay, color combination you can control.
Yes, we will in a software we will mention the RGB value.
Okay.
And machine will take care after printing, sir.
Okay, great.
And this is also a polyjet machine.
Okay.
And this is for this one's majorly for the rubber parts.
Okay, right.
I can show you some files.
Okay,
You see, sir,
components.
this is a rubber printed with this machine.
Okay. So who are the customers for you now? Who are the generally who come and ask components? Which are the customers? One is definitely I can see there is maybe unique components they want to print and they can't get those original components. Those things definitely can provide.
Definitely.
Other than that, who are the customers generally?
So generally, all medical professionals, medical device manufacturers,
Oh, okay.
those things.
For them, components very difficult to maintain. No? Components means like broken components and all.
Yes, sir. Yeah. And for the new company where comes up with their own product, they required one or two products, the prototyping.
Prototyping.
Yeah.
Okay.
See this one, sir. This is anatomy part printed with polyjet technology. It's actually a finger.
Oh, okay. Wow. Fantastic. Okay.
The inside the bones can be seen. Outside is a finger.
Oh, okay. Nice. Very nice. Fantastic.
And
So there, I can see a lot of like components with different.
yes, sir. Can you see this one, sir?
Yeah. I can.
It's eyeball.
Yeah. Correct.
This is printed with the polyjet technology, sir.
Wow. Fantastic.
And we are giving the solution, trying to put this one for the human body.
Okay. How much it costs? One like this? How much? Generally, how much you charge?
Sir, actually, it purely depends on the texture and everything, sir. And the development is also matters, sir.
So you can
cost
use
right?
this. Okay, this is generally for the body components. Like it's like it goes into some this operations. This like whatever you use components can go into the
Not really, sir. It's only for the trial.
trial. Okay.
Yeah. See some of the end-use products. Actually, the application-wise we cannot define it, but this is a highly engineering grade material, ultimate material.
Okay, there is one question who asked which 3D printing technique you used. There
For the eyeball, that is polyjet, sir. Polyjet technology
Okay.
with the J750 machine.
So maybe very special material required for those healthcare related.
Sir, yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time. And we want some more information. Once we share that, probably I will come and meet you.
Please, always welcome. So you can see our facility also with you, with your team also.
Yeah. Sure, definitely. Okay. Thank
Fine.
you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Raghavan. Thank you. Can I close the meeting?
Yes, sir. Please. Thank you.